Hello everyone, welcome to the Sweethome Guesthouse. Today I'm going to show you the cool kitchenware that we have here. So, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to show you how they work real quick. Now this is a pot and a pan, so they can be used on the stovetop. But what's cool about them is that the handles are actually removable. So to do that, all you have to do is just press the button and it comes right off, just like that. So let's say you want to make some soup or something. You can use them as a pot like you normally would. You can like heat it up on the stove, you can warm up your soup, and then you can bring this over to here with a hot pad, of course, and then you can take the handle off and eat the soup straight out of it, just like that. You don't even need to use a second bowl, and the same thing applies to the skillet as well. To put the handles back on, all you have to do is just put it on and squeeze this until you hear that click sound, and then it's secured and ready to use. Now, as a quick note, the bowl, the handle, and the lid, they are all dishwasher safe. So you can bring them over to the Sweethome dishwasher, you can put them in there, and you can clean them up. It's all nice and easy. And that's basically it. That's how you use the Sweethome Guesthouse kitchenware.